These are the information and formulas that are already provided to you during the exam. So let us talk about the equation of line in the various form. We have these x-axis and y-axis. Now the equation of line in various forms are already provided to you in this. Right here you have the general equation of the line as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Y equal to mx plus b is your slope intercept form where m represents the slope and b represents the y intercept. Next one is point slope form. If a point lying on that line is given to you and the slope is given, okay, so let's say this point is p x1 y1 and the slope of this line, which you already know, tan theta, is also given. M is equal to, let's say, tan theta, right? So the equation of that line will be given by y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Here it is. Okay, so you can always use this. Now the second question is, if the slope is not given but 2 points lying on that line are given. Okay, in that case first you have to find the slope. For example, what I am saying is, we have only 2 points lying on that line, P and Q. Their coordinates are given x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, so you can first find the slope value, which is given by m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Once you get the slope, you can use any point to get the equation of the line using this formula. Okay, but if equation of the line is already given to you, you can always convert that in this format to calculate the slope also. That we will discuss in this. So let us solve some questions first. First question says, find the equation of the line passing through 2, 1 and having the slope 3. So the equation of the line will be y minus y1, which is 1 here, is equal to 3 times x minus 2. That's it. So it is our answer. So simplified, we get y minus 1 is equal to 3x minus 6. It implies y is equal to 3x minus 5. It is our answer. Next question. Find the equation of the line passing through these 2 points. So this time you have to find the equation of the line which is passing through these 2 points. But slope is not given, 2 points are given. As I said earlier also, you have to find the slope first. So slope will be given by the formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That gives me 2 minus 1 upon 3 minus 2. That is 1 over 1. So the slope is 1. What will be the equation of line? You can use any point. Okay, either of the point you can use. So I will use this 2, 1 and I will get y minus 1 is equal to m times, which is 1 times x minus 2. So this is our answer. When we simplify it, we get y is equal to x minus 1. Next question is, find the slope of the line 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. So this time equation of the line is given and they says find the slope. So how can you find the slope? Just convert it in this format, y is equal to mx plus b format. So from here I can say I have to find the value of y, which can be calculated as 2y is equal to negative 3x plus 8. And if I divide everything by 2, I will get y is equal to negative 3 over 2x plus 8 over 2, which gives you 4 here. So here, whatever be the coefficient of x, that is your slope. The slope will be minus 3 by 2. Next question. Here now question says, find the x-intercept and y-intercept of this line. So what do you mean by x-intercept? If the line, this is the line, you can see, it cuts the x-axis at this point. So this distance is the x-intercept, and where it cuts the y-axis, this distance is called y-intercept. This is y-intercept. So it means I can say, to get the x-intercept part, you can just put y part is equal to 0. And to get the y-intercept, you can put x is equal to 0 in the original equation of the line. So here you have 2x plus 3y equal to 12. If you need x-intercept, right? So let me write here x-intercept, put y equal to 0 in this. So we will get 2x is equal to 12. From here get the value of x, that comes out as 6. So this 6 is the x-intercept. Now in order to get the y-intercept, 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. That gives me y is equal to 4. So 4 is the y-intercept. 6 is the x-intercept. Okay, so that's the answer for this question. Thank you for watching this session. I hope you love this session, and if you learn something from this, you can, and if you need a one-on-one session, group session, or homework assistant, or assignment help, or project help, you can just contact me on this number, or you can join the Telegram channel through this.